I'm talking today to Roneel Prasad of 365 Squared. Roneel, we're talking about A2P messaging and monetization, very, very important. Just explain to us what A2P messaging is all about.
Well, A2P messaging is all about applications to persons messages originating from an application and terminating into the handset of a subscriber in a simple terms.
But it's a way for mobile operators to control that work because they are losing a lot to something called grey route messaging at the moment, aren't they?
Indeed. We notice that as an industry there is at least 600 million bypass annually, and grey routes are a thing that has been a bottleneck in the industry for a long time. And what we notice, we have been trying to educate the mobile operators for the last 3 years, but it has been gathering a lot of momentum. To be honest with you, Brian, what we have been doing for the last 3 years, it's only becoming evident now, but we are well ahead in the industry in terms of being able to monetize this for the operators.
And this week you announced the world's fastest monetization system. Tell us about that.
Yes, it's a very exciting thing. We, as 365 Squared, are vendor agnostic, which means for us it does not really matter what the solution is, what the technical firewall is. And there is no one in the industry in this space really, aside from 365 Squared, because everyone has a vested interest to push their own solution. Now, what that means is for the mobile operator, we, with our intelligence and with our technical resources, can really study what the mobile operator has, and typically they do have something to start with, which is the low-hanging fruit, and that's where we come in with our expertise and help. Once it ticks all the check boxes, then we are in a position to quickly, using the current setup of the operator, help them monetize A2P.
Now, when we say quickly, we're not talking months, we're not talking weeks. It's a phenomenal turnaround time you guys have managed to establish.
Indeed, we have set an industry benchmark already, and right now, to be honest with you, what we did as our first client a number of years ago was we actually, once the deployment was done, within 69 hours we managed to monetize 95% of the traffic. Right now the benchmark and the KPIs that we have set for ourselves as 365 Squared has reduced significantly, but we still prefer to maintain that. Now that's quite a very good position to be in.
Yeah, tell us a bit about the company, because we're not talking theory here. You do have customers around the world already using this service.
Yeah, we were the first in the industry to sell it as a managed service. We were the first in the industry to push the solution as a free CapEx, free OpEx model. And we have all our clients are under a managed service scenario right now. We are very strong in Asia. We work with a number of mobile operator groups already, and we are very quickly expanding into Africa and LATAM. That presents a huge opportunity for us.
Fantastic. Thanks very much for talking to us.
Thank you, Brian.
So for mobile operators, a 69-hour solution to get grey messaging under control.